Good afternoon, sophomores. So once again, we're back to using Xello. We're going to just continue going on through it. And all this is doing is helping you to narrow down and come up with some career choices or career ideas for yourself for after high school. So I know it seems monotonous. I know it seems tedious. But I promise you, if you take your time and really utilize this tool, it can help you in narrowing down a career choice or maybe even coming up with an idea for a career choice. So this is just a reminder that you're going to go to the district's website to log into Xello. You cannot log into Xello through the PowerSchool app. You have to go through the website. So USD247.com, then you're going to go to PowerSchool. You're going to log in for students. If you don't have your username and password for PowerSchool, you can let me know, or you can let the office ladies know, and we can help you get that. So once you log in, because mine's different than yours, but once you log in, you're going to see a little square with an arrow at the very top right-hand corner. You're going to click that arrow, that square. It's going to prompt you to sign into Xello. Once you sign into Xello, it's going to look like this. Obviously, it's going to say your name and not mine. And the first thing I'm going to have you do is I'm just going to have you click on the assignment. So the assignment says that it's due at the end of today because it is, and you're going to click on that assignment, mission complete, what do I like, and it's going to tell you that you have to complete these quizzes before you can actually complete the assignment. So the assignment is different from what you actually have to do. It's just answering questions based off of what you learned from those quizzes. So you're going to click on those quizzes, you're going to finish those. If you've already finished those, it's not going to make you do them again, but it is going to have you complete an assignment from me. You're going to read that assignment. Within that assignment is a form, and that is where you're going to answer the questions based off of what you learned from going back over and looking at your mission complete to see what careers that you are interested in. So make sure you log into Xello through the PowerSchool website, not the app. You're going to go to assignments. It's going to make sure that you've completed all these 3 quizzes before you can go on. Once you are finished with that, it will have you fill out a form for me. Once that is finished, you are done for the day. So thank you. Let me know if you have questions, and I hope you have a good rest of your afternoon. Bye.